Coughing and sneezing most annoying behavior on trains. This is breakingnewsenglish.com. A recent study from the Japan Private Railway Association, JPRA, reveals that coughing and sneezing were the biggest annoyances on trains. A total of 5,314 train passengers responded to a JPRA survey on behavior and manners on trains and at stations. Coughing and sneezing without consideration for others topped the list of passenger gripes. An association spokesperson attributed this to remaining effects of COVID-19. He said, "The coronavirus pandemic may have ingrained the importance of consideration for others as a norm." He added, "More people likely feel greater anxiety than before the pandemic when someone nearby coughs or sneezes without wearing a mask." The JPRA has been conducting its polls since 1999 to gauge how people feel about their fellow passengers. It hopes to promote better behavior in the future. It said 50.5% of survey respondents cited coughing and sneezing as their top annoyance. Other sources of irritation on trains included people stretching their legs, people not moving over to make space for others wanting to sit down, and noisy conversations. The JPRA added that strong scents from perfume or fabric softeners and poor manners during boarding and alighting, such as blocking doors, were 4th and 5th on the list. The number of riders has increased on Japan's trains due to a rise in tourists visiting Japan. Thank you for listening to BreakingNewsEnglish.com.